All right, in this recording, I am showing you how to locate your News ELA links to find sources for your research report. Okay, the first step you need to do is go to Content at the top of your toolbar. So click on Content, and then once you have loaded content, I want you to find the 3.05 lesson. Find the 3.05 lesson. So right there on the left-hand side, here's the 3.05 lesson. Okay, now scroll down all the way to the bottom of this lesson and click on the Read on Scientific Exploration link. All right. Now, for some reason, this is the only way you can successfully get logged into News ELA. If you go to newsela.com and try to log in without clicking through your course, you won't be able to get there. So in this lesson, there is a News ELA link. So now I would like you to click on Read It on News ELA. And then it's going to open up a new tab. And within this new tab is where you'll be able to find the content. Okay, so you'll notice there's some scientists here. So you're welcome to choose one of these resources. However, I would highly recommend looking for a topic that interests you, so either on this page, okay, or if you go up to the top and click on your content, no, sorry, click on assignments. That's the right one. If you click on assignments, yes, click on that. And now you're going to see, after it loads, all right, so there is how to write and argue an essay. But if you scroll down, I think you should be able to see the other units that I put in here. Let's see. Oh, okay, so you're welcome to peruse here to find, but I think the best thing for you to do, we're actually going to backtrack a little bit. Okay, so if you can, go ahead and go back. If you even just click the back arrow, or the scientific explorations, this back arrow work. So if you scroll down, this is where you will find sources for your research report, okay? So you could start here. If there's oceanography, Mars, if there's anything here, if you don't see something, you can scroll up to the top and search for a topic that you'd like to choose from. So you see that search bar? You could search for a scientific topic or person, or if you click on Browse, you can browse by category, which is really great. Okay, so if you go down, see, yeah, perfect. If you scroll down, you can see subject areas, and there's a science subject area. You could choose a research report on orcas, yeah. So then you could search News ELA for orcas. Now I do want to show you something else. So now let's look at, let's say we're going to research about the desert. So click on the desert one. I'm going to write my research report all about the desert. So I know your lessons say you have to pick a scientist, but I'm going to allow you to choose a scientific topic, okay? So now I can choose look at all of these articles. You're going to need to choose at least 3 articles to use for your report. So let's say I'm going to first click on Deserts Explained. So could you click on Deserts Explained? This is going to be the first research article I'm going to use for my report. So I want to show you something. If I scroll down right below that picture, stop right below that picture. If you go back up, perfect. Okay, so when I'm doing my in-text citation and my works cited page, this is where I will find the information that I need. So notice I have the author is Christina Nunes. I have it was published in the National Geographic Society, and it has the date it was published. That is information you will need for your in-text citation, which would be Nunes. There's probably no page number, so you won't include a page number. And then you also will have that for your works cited page. Okay, so then you can read through this article. You will be taking notes. So I'd probably start off my report explaining what a desert is. So this looks perfect. And then maybe I would talk about the benefits of deserts, or I might talk about the different types of deserts. So when I go to paraphrase my information, I would look at this first paragraph and say, or second paragraph, deserts cover more than 1/5 of the Earth's land area. They are found on every continent. So I would put that in my own words, and I would say, the Earth is covered with desert on, let's say, 20%. 20% of the Earth is covered in desert. Do you see I just paraphrased that information? Instead of that first sentence saying deserts cover more than 1/5 of the Earth's land area, instead I said the Earth is covered, the 20% of the Earth is covered with deserts. I paraphrased it. I put it into my own words, so I didn't copy it. And then I would quote, I would provide an in-text citation after that. 20% of the world is covered with desert. And then I'd put in parentheses, Nunes. That's showing my reader that I gathered that information from this article. Does that make sense, everyone? All right, so, and then if you go back, if you click on the back arrow and go back to that set of deserts, so we're researching all about the desert biome, look at all of these articles I can gather. So I could now go to a different article, any article you could click on, and I would gather more information for a topic on my research, for my research report. Okay? So Newsela is the source that you will use to find articles for your Unit 3 research report for English 7A. I hope this video tutorial helped you learn how to find articles for your research report. Again, you will go to 3.05 lesson. At the very end, there's a Newsela link, which you will click on through your lessons to go to Newsela to find articles for your report. Thank you so much, everyone.